This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. This is new construction home you've been looking for is at Hilltop Point in Dade City, Florida. A stunning open concept 2-story home nestled in a serene rolling hills community of Hilltop Point. This meticulously crafted home boasts 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 pristine bathrooms, and a convenient 2-car garage. The upgraded kitchen, adorned with 42-inch cabinets, is a culinary haven. There is a lot of storage in this home, starting with a walk-in kitchen pantry, pocket office spaces and closets. That's not all. Additional features include 8 tall interior doors on both levels, prewires for ceiling fans in all bedrooms, smart home technology, and Energy Star certified. You will be amazed by the amount of natural light that beams in from the windows and sliders. Move right in as we have taken care of the upgrades for you. Homes in Hilltop Point have a short drive to the historic downtown area, Krate at Wesley Chapel and Mirada Lagoon, as well as Hilltop Point's own new Pool and Cabana area under construction in the community. For more information, review the